just got back from Walmart. We picked up sandworms, some weights, swivels, and some smaller gear. We're back here at Pismo. We got the whole kayak truck. We got, I forgot your name. We got him in the background. And yeah, we're gonna try for some surf perch before moving up on the coast.
All the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Damn, dude, that's massive. Holy sh**. Oh my god. To pick it up before it goes away. That thing is massive.
Oh, dude, oh.
Let's go.
Hold on, let me get a...
Yeah, a perch, huh?
That's crazy, huh?
Those are good eating, dude.
Man, we're not from here. We're just kind of fishing along the way up.
That's a big perch, too.
Crazy, huh?
Hold it up.
Crazy.
Hell yeah.
No, it's up.